Hi, how are you? You might be tempted to make use of strong chemicals whenever you see ants crawling on doors, windows, or bed linen. But keep in mind that these chemicals may be harmful to you and the environment. Know how to get rid of ants in a natural manner. Don't worry, problem solved. Here are some home remedies for ants. Dish soap, white vinegar, lemon juice, boric acid. Dish soap for ants. Take dish soap and water in 1:2 ratio and fill it in a bottle. Shake it well to make the solution. Spray this mixture over ants. The ants will suffocate or halt. Wipe up these dead ants with a wet cloth. White vinegar for ants. You can make a natural pesticide by mixing vinegar and water in equal parts. Store this solution in a spray bottle. Sprinkle it directly on the ants to kill them. Use damp paper towel to wipe them. Lemon juice for ants. Combine 1 part of lemon juice with 3 parts of water. Mix well. Spray the solution onto the ants lying or around the perimeter of your house. Boric acid for ants. Take boric acid powder and sprinkle it in the areas like windowsills, baseboards, or common areas where you observe ants. When ants ingest boric acid, they die as it damages their exoskeleton and poisons their stomach.